Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step process of how to apply for Facebook monetization. So first of all, you log into your Facebook profile and then switch on to the page you want to apply the monetization for. In some cases, it could also be that you're applying for the monetization of a profile and not a page. So in that case, for profiles, you may not be able to go to the Meta Business Suite, but if it is a page, that is where you are supposed to go to in order to apply for the monetization. So if you want to apply, for example, first of all, you can come onto the Facebook professional dashboard and then check. If it is actually a profile, you must go to the professional dashboard on a phone, the mobile app, in order to do it. But if it is a page, strictly you have to go to the Meta Business Suite. So let me show you exactly what you need to do to go through. So first of all, you come to the Meta Business Suite on the left hand corner. You click on it. So it comes to the Meta Business Suite. And then for me, I have several pages, so I want to choose the page that I'm applying for the monetization. So I have selected the page. After you select the page, you scroll down and you see monetization. So you click on the monetization and then it takes you to the monetization section. Okay, so from here, you will see overview. In the past, we used most of the biggest offer under the monetization was the in-stream ads that you have to apply for. But there has been recent changes, and now what happens is that in-stream ads is now part of content monetization. So now when you are to apply, you're applying for content monetization. And so when you come here, you will see your page is able to earn money because you will just see something that will write here. Then when you click on view eligibility, here they will indicate if you qualify for the in-stream ads or content monetization. It will ask you to apply. You will see here that it will ask you to start the process of the application. So here like this, they get ads on Reels. It is not yet up to, or this page has not yet qualified. Though if it qualifies or if the option is opened, you will see the criteria here. It will just indicate that you can begin the setup. Okay, now you can click on view criteria here. If you click here, they will show you all the criteria you're supposed to meet. So for example, grow your audience to at least 5,000 followers. So it means that this page has met that criteria. Then also it says that you must create engaging content. So you should get at least 60,000 hours of watch time in the last 60 days. This page too has got that. That's why it is marked. Build your video library. At least you must have at least 5 active videos. And this page has that too. So in fact, this page has met the criteria to monetize. The only reason why they have not yet opened the option for the monetization is that they have reorganized the way their monetization program is. And then what they did is that they now put all the monetization, like the in-stream ad, the ads on Reels and the stars, they put them all together under what we call content monetization. And because they have reorganized it and put it into one bigger umbrella, that is content monetization, what they did is that they made sure that that particular option is in beta mode as of January 2025. And if you don't have that particular option, or if they don't open that option to you, you cannot apply it. So I will show you all the steps that you need to follow in order to be able to express your interest, so that when they invite you to the beta program, when you come here, for example, you will see it will ask you to start the process of the application. I have done that before for people. In fact, that as of that particular time, they did not even start the beta program yet, but there was an option for in-stream ad monetization and all the other options. So I applied. So I want to show you how to show an interest and the step-by-step process that you have to follow when you are asked to now apply for the monetization. Now when you come to the in-stream ads and you click on learn more, For example, you see that it shows that if you come here and you see eligibility for Facebook monetization, if you even check here, you see it will say you will not be able to join, rejoin, or continue participation in in-stream ads on Rails or the performance bonus program after you onboard on the content monetization. And they are now showing the eligibility of the content monetization. If you read here, it says the Facebook content monetization beta is currently invite only while it is in development. So what they are basically saying is that now the monetization option is currently invite only. If they don't invite you, you cannot participate. So if you come here to it says if you have not received an invite, you can express interest via our interest form. So you click on the interest form. You see that here they will ask you to put your email address, and then probably you put your page URL. How do you get the page URL? For those who don't know, you can go to facebook.com and then copy a URL of your page. Okay, so for example, this is my page, and then the URL is this one. So you copy it, and then come and paste it here, and then you write, okay, it says other social media account, or you may also if you have any short text that you may want to write to describe anything to, you can add it here. Then after that, you click on let's do this. Okay, it will be submitted, and they will know that okay, you've expressed interest that you want participate in the beta monetization program. You see, so when you send it, you see, as I have submitted, it says form submitted successfully. Thank you for your interest in the Facebook Meta content monetization beta. So they will invite me if they they are enrolling it one by one to all the accounts. So when it gets to my turn, they will send an invite to me. In fact, they are giving it's getting to a certain time, and they will roll it to anyone who meet the 60,000 minutes of work time and the 5,000 followers. But for now, they are not rolling out to everybody, only those who express the interest. So once you express the interest like this, they will invite you at the appropriate time. Now, if you are invited and you are to apply, I'm now going to show you the step-by-step process of how to do that application. So for example, when you are invited, if you come to overview, they will show you the eligibility, and then when you come under view page eligibility, you will see here that it will ask you to start the process. Now, I've done a video earlier on how I did that earlier on for a different page. So I want to show you how I did it. So for that one, for example, what I did is that when you click on the in-stream ads or under page eligibility, it will show you setup. So you click on the setup, then to take you to this particular part where it will ask you to agree to terms and conditions. So you click on review terms, then at the bottom you will see an option that will say you should accept the terms and conditions. So you accept, and then after you accept, it will say completed. Then it will move you to the next step where they will ask you to set up your payout account. So you click on set up account, then it will take you here where it will ask you for the payout account. So for example, if you have already set up a payout account, you click on the drop down arrow and choose the payout account. If you haven't, then you click on create new, or it will ask you to set up the account itself, step by step process. So when you click on the create new, or if you don't even have any, it will ask you to set up. Then you can come here, you put say pick from where you left. So this particular person actually started and didn't complete, and I had to finish it up and apply for the person. So you click on next, then it will ask you to it will say you are all set. In fact, they will ask you to put your bank and your tax information. So you will do all that. Once you put your bank account, your tax information, and the country that you are from, then it will be completed. So once that process is completed, then it will now ask it will now say that your submission was received. Then it say thank you for setting up your tool and submitting your page for review. We will review your page to make sure it meets our monetization guidelines. When the process is complete, you will be notified by email. You can also check back here for updates. So you will have an email. They will send you an email if the review is complete and you have been accepted into the monetization program. You will see that when you come to your dashboard here. If you come here, the meta business, you see that the option you are monetized, and then you can also come to the monetization the dashboard. When you come to professional dashboard for your page, it will now show. You see more information here about your page, and if you are using the mobile app, you will see there's an option where they will even show the amount of money you have made in the last few days. Everything will show there, so that you will know the progress you are making and how much money you have made from your content. If you follow this, you'll be able to apply for your content monetization. If you are having any difficulty doing this, please, you can leave your comments in the comment section. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact me for assistance. But know that that one I charge to assist you to be able to set up your account. Thank you once again for watching. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and see you in the next video. Remember to follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact me. Bye.